Hello everyone, now continue to change the slab thickness. In the previous tutorial we use the whole slab are the same. The slab thickness is 120 mm or 12 cm. You see the slab in these two panels, the slab thickness is 150. So now we have to override. Open the Tekla Structural Designer. Click on Control Select, take the override slab dip and change 150. Enter. Click to check. Yes, this slab thickness is 120, correct? 120. This slab is 150. 150 is correct. Click on the model, validate to check no any error. Thank you for your watching. This is how you can modify the slab thickness on the panel. Thank you for your watching. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.